Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Today I am going to be taking you guys through my Sunday morning routine. Sundays are my absolute favorite day of the week because I don't work, I don't do anything. It's just super relaxing and I don't know. I love Sundays. So my mornings usually start around 8:30 or 9. Lately, I've been trying to be really intentional with how I start my mornings. So I'm trying to read a little bit more. It's just a good way to start and end your days. I just try to read a couple of chapters, spend a half hour or so reading. And then I'll just go ahead and make my bed. I always make my bed. That way I don't hop back in and it just makes me feel more put together. And then I'll head to the kitchen to make myself some breakfast. So this morning I made a little egg sandwich and I also had a big glass of orange juice. I love orange juice in the morning. So yeah, I just cracked 2 eggs onto a little pan and then I kind of just let them sit there. I added salt and pepper, kind of scrambled them up. Then I went ahead and toasted a gluten-free bagel and it was so yummy. I made myself a hot cup of coffee. I absolutely love starting my morning with a cup of coffee. Plus I had a little bit of computer work to do, so I just like something to accompany me while I do that. And then I went into the bathroom to wash and moisturize my face. I also brushed my teeth, of course. So as for my makeup, I've been trying to keep it natural the past couple of weeks just because I don't really want to wear makeup. So I did some concealer, bronzer, and then I just curled my eyelashes. So I wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing because my mom and I are about to head to a coffee shop to get some homework done. So Albion Fit was so kind and sent me a couple of items. If you guys don't remember, I worked with them back in March, I think it was. They sent some of their new swim pieces and I just love their company. I love their representatives, their mission, their goal, and their all of their clothing pieces are just so cute and comfortable and stylish. So this, I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. That's the point of this. So I'm wearing just a basic v-neck and it's like a sea glass green color. It's so comfortable, probably the softest shirt I've ever worn. And then I'm wearing these black jet setters. They're like nylon and spandex, so they're super flexible and very, very comfortable, which is perfect for like all of my school days or doing homework or whatnot, because they're still pretty stylish, but like you can dress it up or dress it down. So yeah, that's what I'm wearing today. And then they also sent me these navy blue jet setters, which I love the color on these. I wouldn't necessarily say it's navy. I think it's more of like kind of a purpley blue, but they're so comfortable. I wore them last night with like just a black v-neck and then a little, well, this little gray sweater over top, and it was super, super cute. And then they also sent me this black jumpsuit, which is super comfortable. It's also cropped, so it kind of flares out near the calves, and I love it. And again, they're all super, super soft, comfortable. They're made in Guatemala. I was just reading, I think on their Instagram, they were sharing like their story and why some of their pieces are, a little bit more expensive, but they make everything in Guatemala. They personally know all of the families, all of the workers. They help them, they give them health benefits, like all this kind of stuff. So their company is just so awesome. Like I love them. So I do have a coupon code for you guys. It's EmmaYT10, so you guys can get 10% off your order.